Welcome to the newest episode of HulkApps educational series. Today we are going to talk about regulations. It sounds boring, I know, but stick with us until the end and trust me, you will learn some useful stuff that can drastically improve your business. So let's begin. We are going to talk about the ADA. Now, since you probably never heard of it, we will start from the beginning and explain to you what it is, what does it stand for, and why does it exist in the first place. The Americans with Disabilities Act is a civil rights act that was passed into law in 1990. The ADA prohibits discrimination against individuals who have hearing, vision, cognitive or physical impairments. This law covers a wide range of topics, including equal employment opportunities, public education, transportation, and so on. Your business falls under Title III of the Act, which deals with public accommodations, such as banks, restaurants, etc. Despite the fact that the ADA Act was enacted before the internet was widely used, various court judgments over the years have made website accessibility mandatory. It is crucial to understand that even if you manage your business from outside the United States, you are still required to be ADA compliant. Simply being present in the US market requires you to be ADA compliant, according to Shopify's accessibility policy. How to check if your website is ADA compliant? Open the website that you want to test. Click on the Inspect element and then go to the Lighthouse section. There are a number of different reports that you can generate from here, but in this case you are looking to generate the accessibility report. After that, you will get an accessibility score along with recommendations on what you can do in order to improve your website's accessibility. The numbers on the Lighthouse test are not percentages. It is a rough score out of 100 that gives you an idea of whether your website is heading in the right direction. Everything over a score of 90 is considered to be great, but of course you should aim to get 100. What if your website isn't ADA compliant? Well, there are a number of risks associated with your store not being ADA compliant. The first one is the lawsuit risk. Simply put, ADA violations can result in lawsuits against your company, the settlement of which can cost your business tens of thousands of dollars. This, of course, can limit business growth and cause unnecessary expenses. The second type of risk that your business will face is the risk of losing potential customers. If your store is not ADA compliant, you risk losing a lot of potential customers who can't access your website. To be more specific, 61 million Americans deal with some sort of disability, while globally that number is upwards of 1 billion people. So it can make a difference. What steps should you take to make your website ADA compliant? Add alt text to your website's photos. Users who are blind or visually impaired frequently use voice readers to navigate websites. Using descriptive headers and links, as well as adding alt text to your photos, will make your website more speech reader friendly. Use subtitles. If your website includes videos, such as product presentations, tutorials, or promotional videos, you can utilize subtitles to make them more accessible to hearing impaired visitors. Avoid using flashing elements. Flashing features are a good method to draw users' attention to a certain section of a website, but they can cause major problems for users who are prone to seizures. Audit your website. It is critical to understand that you cannot simply make your website ADA compliant and then leave it be. It is likely that you will run into some problems when you add additional content. As a result, we propose that you perform a website audit on a regular basis. Some of the advantages of being ADA compliant include providing an inclusive experience for your clients and making your business accessible to over 1 billion people worldwide. Improving brand image and awareness since your brand will be seen as a brand that goes above and beyond. Improving SEO since many WCAG requirements such as adding alt text to all photos are also important for SEO rankings. Removing the possibility of ADA-related lawsuits. As a Shopify merchant, you cannot afford to overlook inclusivity and ADA compliance. Even if you are not based in the United States, your presence in the US market makes you subject to the ADA legislation. Accessibility for users with disabilities is also part of Shopify's inclusivity policy. HulkApps has been providing reliable ADA compliance services and guidance to our merchants for years. If you have any questions or want to make your website fully ADA compliant, check out our services in the description and contact us today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode of HulkApps educational series. Bye.